Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car audio capacitors available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list Planet Audio PC20F 20 Farad car capacitor. Planet Audio's cap has a powerful 20 million of capacitance, 16 VDC of power, and a surge voltage of 24 VDC. It is one of the most powerful and durable capacitors to make our list, plus it's capable of keeping the headlights on without any dimming or flashing while you pump the bass. As an added bonus to you, and one of the best features of this unit is the audible alert tone. The noise acts as a reverse polarity warning and will also let you know of a possible voltage overload or a low battery. It also comes with a 3-digit, bright blue LED voltage meter with an easy-to-read layout of what's going on inside the capacitor. Key features: 16 VDC of power, capacitance of 20 million, surge voltage of 24. Specification: brand, Planet Audio, model, PC20F, weight, 4.41 pounds, pros, large and robust, 20 farads, LED display, cons, beeps when the car is turned on, fragile casing, not compatible with zero-gauge wire. The second product on our list is Soundstorm C352 3.5 Farad car capacitor.
This video will demonstrate how to properly fasten the power connections on the SSL C352 power capacitor. First, using the supplied 5mm Allen key, remove the bolts from the positive and negative posts. They have the polarity marked at the top. Loosen the Phillips head screw on the remote terminal located on the rear center of the capacitor. Next, after the capacitor has been mounted and charged, connect the fused battery and amplifier positive cables to the positive post. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Connect the remote terminal to the remote post. Finally, connect the ground cable to the negative post. Again, do not over-tighten.
The third product on our list is 5.0 Farad digital power capacitor. For anyone who wants to crank up the volume and get that bass pumping, the 5.0 Farad digital power capacity is impressive. It comes with a powerful 5 farads to power just about any system you can imagine. It also has a blue digital display to let you know how much charge it has left. It's protected by a durable aluminum casing, plus it looks pretty cool as well. The canister is equipped with an electronic polarity protection circuit. An over-voltage protection circuit ensures your speaker system gets maximum performance and remains reliable. Key features: 5 farad system. Features capacitance plus or minus 5%, 20 to 24 volt surge, 105 OCW/DC 12 to 24 volt. Specification: brand, pile, model, Placate 50, weight, 5.2 pounds, pros: powerful, lightweight, easy to read screen. Cons: annoying flashing light. May not come with installation hardware. Fragile terminals. The fourth product on our list is Audiotech at 3.5 Farad capacitor car audio. The fifth product on our list is Boss Audio Systems Cap 8 to 8 Farad Car. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.